Hi everybody and welcome to another video. I am the Speaking Bear and today's phrase is woke up on the wrong side of bed. Now this one is a very popular one. We use this very commonly. Definition is started your day in a bad mood. Being in a bad mood could be sad, could be angry, could be grumpy, which I will define grumpy for you as well. The first example, it says he's grumpy, bad mood. Must have woken up on the wrong side of bed. So this is very common when someone is being grumpy towards you or rude or in a bad mood or whatever the case may be. We use this term to define that. We don't say, oh, he's mean or, oof, he's not having a good day. We would say he must have woken up on the wrong side of bed. So it's a metaphor for starting your day not good. And grumpy is this little cat right here. You could see that the cat's face not in a good mood, he's sad, he's angry. That is kind of the definition of grumpy. The next example, the location is at home and it says your brother has been grumpy all morning and your mom says, looks like you woke up on the wrong side of bed. Again, you're not trying to say that he's mean or he's sad or he's in a bad mood. You use this term or this phrase as a metaphor to explain that. Once more, your brother has been grumpy all morning and your mom says, looks like you woke up on the wrong side of bed. The next example could be at the office. And this time, you're the one acknowledging that you are the one that woke up on the wrong side of bed. So you've been pretty mean towards your coworkers all morning. Maybe when they said good morning, you did not say good morning back, or if you did, you may have said it in a tone that's not really polite. You can say, sorry, I woke up on the wrong side of bed. This tells other people that you're not having a good day. They will be a little bit more understanding, hopefully, towards your actions or towards how you're carrying yourself that day. Being sad or being in a bad mood or being angry shouldn't be a common thing, but it happens and that's okay. And this is the term or the phrase that we use to define that, right? So woke up on the wrong side of bed. So what I want you guys to do is practice these phrases in your vocabulary. So let's say one day you did wake up in a bad mood. You could tell somebody, oh, I just woke up on the wrong side of bed. I'm sorry, right? That could be a way to apologize to someone from your actions or the way you've been behaving all day. I hope that you like this video and we'll see you in the next one.